everyone, welcome back. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing our first deep clean of the year in the kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you so much for clicking this video. On this channel you'll find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. There's also lots of motivation to help you tackle the tasks that you've been avoiding, so subscribe to the channel for more. Hey everyone, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. So this is going to be the first video of the year. I'm just going to basically just do a deep clean. This is just me just taking down the Christmas decorations, the Christmas tree, and just putting things away. I'm going to be doing a little bit of more decluttering because it's a new year and I know quite a lot of people love decluttering at this time of the year. So look forward to those kind of videos. And because it's a new year, I'm going to be doing quite different content. I know quite a lot of people love decluttering. Some people are looking into green cleaning. So I'm going to be featuring quite a lot of different things in the upcoming year. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for everybody that has subscribed to my channel and likes my videos and comments. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful to be part of a community that, you know, we get to help each other grow, help each other tidy up our homes. A tidy home equals a tidy mind and a tidy space, and we all just get to thrive together. So I'm really grateful for that, and yeah, I look forward to more interesting content. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. So I'm going to clean the kettle. I'm going to turn that off. It's getting, obviously cooking during Christmas and stuff, it looks a lot more greasier than. So clean that. I'm just going to use my elbow grease scourer and some washing up liquid and to just pour this.
Paralyzed state of mind. Still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Trying to find the other side while the sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Love has a fate. The dead is piling up.
So now that I've finished wiping off all the excess fairy liquid, I'm going to use my Cif cream cleaner. I'm just going to use that. I feel like it takes off all the extra sticky stuff that has not come off, so that's my go-to product.
The sun's finally out. I just wanna play. I feel it in the ether. I feel it in the air. I feel it in the color. It's faded and clear. Maybe it's too hard. Maybe it's too far. But I feel it in the ether. And I feel it in the air. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, boo. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, boo. Now I'm paranoid from the noise. When it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Letting go, her control.
So now that I've wiped off all the stuff, I'm now going to use the white vinegar to spray it on there to make sure that it's shiny and glistening and yeah, looking brand new. And then I'm going to get the Kilrock descaler. Some people do use white vinegar to descale. It's on my to try list this year, so I look forward to that.
I'm still recovering from summer's blaze. I feel it in the ether. I feel it in the air. I see it in the color. Faded and clear. Maybe it's too hard. Maybe it's too far. I feel it in the ether. And I feel it in the air.
As you can see, there's a bit of lime scale. Sorry, because the handle here is what stops me from showing you the full side, but yeah, this angle's better. There's a bit of lime scale build up on there, so I'm gonna tackle that. It's not a lot, but it's there and I can see it. Please read and follow the instructions that are written on the bottle. So whilst the kettle is boiling, I'm going to tackle the microwave. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. And today I'm going to be trying out another hack that I've seen on YouTube, where you pour water and a bit of lemon juice and some white vinegar into the mixture, and that's meant to lift any grease that's actually inside your microwave. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this hack and you use it. So I'm gonna use Fairy Liquid again inside the microwave just to remove all the grease that has melted off and all the bits that have melted off using the white vinegar and lemon mixture. So far I feel like it worked really well. I don't think there was quite a lot of grease or dirt inside the microwave, but it's helped. So let me know in the comment section below, what are you actually looking forward to deep cleaning this new year? Are you more looking to decluttering, or are you wanting to do more deep cleaning?
Paralyzed state of mind. Still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Trying to find the other side, while the sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Love has a fate. The dead is piling up, it seems. No guarantees. We'll see if it's meant to be. I beg of you, please not today.
Now that we're done with the microwave, I'm going to focus on the hood of the cooker, which is clogged with a bit of grease and dirt. So this new year, I'm also wanting to try out some more eco cleaning products. So this is one of them. So look out for a video where I explain where I got it from and how well it works. I know quite a lot of people are wanting to use less products and less waste and less toxic stuff. So I'm going to do my best to feature quite a lot more eco cleaning products. So look out for those.
The sun's finally out. I just wanna play. I feel it in the ether. I feel it in the air. I feel it in the color.
So with the hood of the cooker done, I'm now going to focus on my wooden spoons. If you're not new to the channel, you know I've done this before.
It's faded and clear. Maybe it's too hard. Maybe it's too far. But I feel it in the ether. And I feel it in the air. Drip drop, drip drop, drip drop, ooh. Drip drop, drip drop.
So you can repeat this process as many times as you like. I probably do this maybe 2 or 3 times in one go, just to ensure that all the oils have come out. One of the final things that I definitely needed deep clean was the pot. I just don't like when my pots are black. I'm gonna try and get rid of that product, the pink stuff.
Tock, tick tock, tick tock. Letting go, high control. Even though I wanna be locked, love has a fee. The dead is piled up like the leaves. No guarantees. Can we just enjoy the breeze? I beg of you, please not today. I'm still recovering from summer's blaze. I feel it in the ether. I feel it in the air. I see it in the color, faded and clear. Maybe it's too hard.
Look at that, I can already see the difference already, and I think I'm going to do that for the rest of all my pots. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really grateful, like I said, for all the followers, and I'm new to the YouTube space and new to the community, and I'm really grateful for all the love and support. So thank you so much, and I'm really grateful that you're loving the videos and loving the content. I really do appreciate it. So happy new year, and I will see you guys on my next video. So look forward to that. Bye.